Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. Cold weather, strong winds to hit various parts of China. Cold air will sweep China from west to east over the next 4 days, resulting in temperature drops and strong winds in different parts of the China, the China's meteorological authorities said on Monday. From Tuesday to Friday, temperatures are expected to fall by 6 to 10 degrees Celsius in vast regions of the country, with the temperature drops in the parts of Inner Mongolia and Northeast China to exceed 16 degrees Celsius, the National Meteorological Center said. Inner Mongolia, Liaoning, Jilin and Heilongjiang could see sleet, light snow or heavy snow from Tuesday to Thursday. The accumulative snowfall in the parts of these regions is forecast to reach 20 to 25 millimeters. The center also forecast strong winds in parts of Inner Mongolia, Xinjiang, Qinghai, Gansu and Taiwan Strait, the Bashi Channel and the South China Sea on Monday and Tuesday, with the blue alert for heavy winds renewed by 6 a.m. Monday. Ships sailing in the waters affected by the strong winds must pay attention to navigate safely, and relevant transport authorities are advised to take necessary measures to ensure safe transportation operations, the center said. China has a 4-tier color-coded weather warning system for strong winds, with red representing the most severe warning, followed by the orange, yellow and blue. China's National Meteorological Center renewed an orange alert from the snowstorms on Friday, warning that the blizzards are expected to hit parts of the country's northeastern provinces. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News.